Good morning, children. This is your English teacher here. We are going to learn about singular and plural in this class. So, before we start the class, we should revise the previous topics. What were those? Those were vowels and consonants. How many vowels do we have? We have 5 vowels in an alphabet. The remaining letters other than vowels are consonants. So how many consonants do we have now? Total alphabet are 26. Among that, if we subtract 5, it becomes 21. The letters other than A, E, I, O, U are consonants. Then the next class, what we have learned? We learn about articles. There are 2 types of articles, that is a, an or the. A. Where do we use a? We use a before a singular noun, but the word which starts with a consonant. Whereas coming to an, the word an is used before the letter words which starts with vowel. Now coming to singular and plural. Most of the children thinks that how to write S, ES, IES, VES, where to write. You might have a confusion. So let us learn in detail how to make a singular word in plural. It begins now. Singular, plural. Singular means the object which is one. Plural, more than one. So here, the first topic. Here are the subtopics where to add S, ES, IES and VES to make the words in plural form. Okay. First one, that is the first condition. Where to add S. We need to add S to the nouns ending in consonant. For example, the first one is month. M-O-N-T-H, month. H. H is a consonant. So we add S there. M-O-N-T-H-S, months. Month means only one month. Either it may be a January, February, March, April, any single month. Months. M-O-N-T-H-S, months, means more than one. It might be 2 months, 3 months or more than it. Second example, that is shop. S-H-O-P, shop. Plural is shops. S-H-O-P-S, shops. Now the next topic is to add ES. For better understanding, you do one thing, just write at least 5 examples based on each structure so that you will understand clearly. Second one, add ES. ES we need to add to the words which are ending in S, SS, O, X, CH, SH. So these are some of the words where we need to add ES. Let us write the examples based on the words which are ending with. First one, which is ending with SH. That is dish. D-I-S-H, dish. It becomes dishes. D-I-S-H-E-S, dishes. Second one, box. B-O-X, box. It becomes B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Singular means one. Boxes more than one. Third one, church. church. Plural form is churches, churches. Fourth one, class, 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 classes, classes. Class becomes classes. Hope that everyone understood these two rules. The remaining rules and the types of singular plural nouns we shall learn in our next class. Thank you.